This
Yeah, yeah,
conference
I
will
can hear
now
you.
be recorded.
Okay, fine, perfect, yeah. So guys, we will be here for like another 2 months. So 1 month we're gonna do with manual testing, and another month we'll be doing with the automation testing. Okay. So this is your trainer here. This is Navin here, and I heartily welcome you all. In this training session, guys. So this is just a small welcome note for me, and this is another one that is a slide for me, buddy. This will quickly give updates about me. So this is something try my best to represent in a different way. So guys, this is like Naveen here, and I am working as a senior test lead, and I'm working for Wells Fargo. I do have more than 11 years of experience in software testing. I started my career from Tech Mahindra, and then after that I came to Bank of America. I worked with the JP Morgan Chase. I worked with the Microsoft, and finally I'm working with the Wells Fargo. I have been passed out from no NIT 3G, okay, which is in Tamil Nadu. I studied there for 4 years. Then I came to Tech Mahindra. So coming to my technical skill, guys, I have been working on the manual testing, automation testing, Selenium with Java, API with manual and REST assured, guys, database testing, mobile application testing, web application testing, BDD Cucumber, and I am a ISTQB certified person. Okay, so this is the quick information about myself. So guys, anyone want more information than this? You are most welcome. Please raise your voice. Okay, thank you. Let me take as a nobody. I'm moving to the next slide. So guys, whatever the training we will be doing it would be all depend on like live session. Okay, so there's nothing like that. We would be getting something like type out as like a previous no program I'm just running and showing you. No, all will be live, buddy. Okay, the scenarios and all will be discussed no live. So this is called as a live session. You can go through that real time training there. It will be considered as a real time training. So what are the tasks I'm doing in my organization? I can show you that. Okay, so that you'll get a like exposure to no real time. Next is online, offline. Both the batches are available. If you wanted to attend with the offline, you can contact to the CareerBridge. Okay, they can help out with the online, offline as well. And this batch is like no for the online purpose. Next is we have a best teaching technique, guys. We will be giving you. We know that your pain, like you are in the different no stream. There might be the guy who is not from the computer science background. There might be the guy who is working in the different organization, the different technology or support or something. So you wanted to move to that testing. So I know your pain. How much it is like BS to come out now from that to this IT. Okay, so I know that, so I will be using my different techniques so that no you will be able to be comfortable here and you can grab this information and the classes easily. So next thing is, buddy, we do have a lab facility available, okay, at with the trained faculty available. So we are located in KPHP. You can just like walk down to that our lab over there. So this is like lab facilities provided by trained faculty would be there. They can help you run in the practice session, buddy. Then after that, next thing is, guys, all the training that will be occurring here, that will be real time training. I will be giving the live project so that you can start working on that. You can dig on that. We'll have a like doubt clearing session, buddy. So before starting the session, I will be asking whether what are the topic has been studied covered out. So you'll be getting that doubt clearing session. Anyway, like I will be following little different one. It's my way of teaching is whenever like I'm teaching it, guys, this you don't have to wait for the doubt clearing session. You can stop me then and there. Okay, I'll make sure everyone understand. Then only I'll move to the next batch. Okay, so next thing I'll go next topic I can go with that. So until unless you guys are satisfied. Next one is resume preparation. Yes, we do have a different team available in the CareerBridge. They can help out with the resume preparation and all. And then we do have next one is mock interview. This is much more important here. Whenever you are going for any interview, before that, if you get a mock interview, it will be better for you. Okay, so that no, it will like no, you'll get is what is your benefit areas. So what is your strength? What is your like not drawback? So those are things you can see that. Okay, so what is your like your what is the strength and what is your weakness? So you guys are aware of that point, and you can work on your weakness to make them as a strength. After that, last but not least, buddy, placements. This is the major part of this training session. If you guys are fresher, definitely we do have a campus no placement. We have different companies tie up with that. So we'll do our best in order to place you. And if you are an experienced one, guys, we'll refer you to that some other organization so that no, you will be able to now work around that. And you will be very happy to know that, buddy. I'm like working as a panel one member for my like Wells Fargo. So I'm like a level one interview, L1 interview I'm taking out in my Wells Fargo. Guys, next one is any question, buddy, with respect to this program or any question you have, like your password is like no 2016 no below, and you are not working or anything, guys. You can ask any type of question. You are please feel free to open no like ask any type of question here. So that we can move into the text, I mean like normal class, buddy, demo classes. No, no question for me.
No question, sir.
Okay, perfect. But guys, like I like the interactive session, buddy. If you'll interact with me, no, it would be better for me. Okay, so that no, it will create like no like good rapport between me and you. So we'll think that okay, so guys are very like no supportive and these guys are interacting to me. Okay, so please keep on interacting, buddy. Now, so these are the basic information about myself, dear. I would like to go with you all. So guys, please go with your introduction part. You have to say your name, from which place, what is your native place, from where you belongs to, okay, and like no, which year pass out and what you are doing now. Please go ahead, buddy, one by one.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Hi, Avinash.
I am Avinash Allopsetti from Nellore.
Okay, you are from Nellore.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please go ahead, Avinash.
Thank you, sir.
Which year pass out, Avinash? What are you doing now?
Sir,
I said which year pass out, what you are doing?
2022 passed out there, sir.
Okay, so you are
I
fresher,
am
that means.
waiting to
Okay,
join this session. Okay.
okay, perfect, Avinash, thank you. Next one, guys, Harika.
Evening, sir.
Please go ahead with your introduction, Harika.
Actually, my name is Harika from Mancherial. From Mancherial.
Okay, got you.
Okay, and 2013 passed out. Presently, I'm working as 2013 1-3.
Okay, 13 pass out, fine.
Presently, I'm working as a assistant manager in Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Oh, good. Okay. Where, Harika? Which place?
Mancherial branch only.
Okay, Mancherial only.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to know you, buddy.
Just I wanted to move to software field, so I came here.
So, what was your graduation? You did BE or how? What you did?
BTech CSC, sir.
Okay, fine. Got the point.
Okay.
Lavanya.
Good evening, sir. My name is Lavanya and I am from Kakinada. I have completed my graduation in 2019 BTech and currently I am working as an senior officer in ICICI Bank.
Okay, so where would like deployed? I mean, like which branch?
Pitapuram.
Which one?
Pitapuram, sir. Near Kakinada.
Kakinada only. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Lavanya,
Yes.
nice to see you, Lavanya. Thank you. Lakshmi.
Hello, good evening, sir. Myself,
Good
I
evening.
am Lakshmi. I am from Visakhapatnam. Hello,
Yeah, Lakshmi, which year pass out? What are you doing now?
I pass out before 2010, sir,
Okay, and then
and
after that,
now,
what is it doing?
but now I am a housewife, so
Okay, so
started
you wanted
studying now.
to, yeah, fine, Lakshmi. Really like appreciate your effort, and you're taking a nice
Thank you,
decision, buddy. So no, like after a
thank you.
long break, you wanted to come to the IT. So I really welcome you
Yes,
here
sir.
in this course, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Priyanka.
This is Priyanka. I'm 2011 passed out, sir. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, okay. And what are you
Uh,
doing now, Priyanka?
no, I'm not working. I'm searching for a job in IT.
Okay, fine. You have taken the right decision, Priyanka. You have wanted to come to the IT. Definitely, we'll work on that, and we'll know. We'll try to push you to the any IT company, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, dear. Sai Kiran, we have Sai Kiran on the call. Sai Kiran, please go ahead here. Sai Kiran. Okay, I think away. Okay, Shahid Sayed.
Hi, sir. My
Hi,
name is
Shahid.
Shahid, sir. Yeah, I'm from accounting background. I'm based in United States right now. I run my own business.
So in
I
USA,
run my own business.
which state, Said?
Uh, Houston, Texas.
Okay, so you are following EST timing.
I'm sorry.
So you are following EST time zone.
Yes,
Okay,
it's 11
thank you so
here
much,
in the
Said.
morning.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay, so next, buddy, I can see like we have Saundarya on the call. Yes, Saundarya, please go ahead, Saundarya.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead here.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, buddy.
I'm Soundarya, sir. I'm completing my BTech in the year of 2017. Recently, I'm starting my teaching career.
What is starting?
Teaching career, sir.
Okay, fine, dear.
Uh,
Thank you. Next is Sudha.
Thank you, sir.
Sudha, please go ahead with your introduction.
Hi, sir. This is Sudha. Are you able to hear me, sir? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Can you please go ahead?
I live in US, sir. In California.
Okay, good.
I passed out in the year of 2007, and before coming to US, I worked in Accenture Bangalore as a manual tester for almost 3 years, and I got a long career break, and I need to start my career again. So I want to brush my technologies, means I want to brush my knowledge. So I joined here.
So thank you so much, Sudha. You are in the right path,
Yeah.
and you are taking the right decision as well.
Yeah, thank you.
So which time zone you are
Yeah,
following,
thank you.
Sudha?
It's a PST, sir.
Which one? Which one said here?
PST.
Sorry. P. Okay.
PST, sir. Pacific. Yeah, Pacific.
Oh, yeah, got the point. Pacific time zone. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Fine. Yeah. So let me get started with other stuff. Okay. So guys, I think after that you have joined someone else. So who else joined? I think Akula Chitti Babu. Akula, can you go ahead with your introduction, buddy? Don't mind. Fine. I think he is not able to like unmute himself. Fine. Yeah. So guys, like let's get start with the demo part, buddy. See, we would be connecting for daily 1 hour. Okay. And for first 1 hour, I mean, like 1 month of the time, we'll go with the manual testing, and after that, we'll go with the automation. Other guys, like I think Sudha and you guys have already worked on the manual testing, but like many more changes happen in this time. We have come up with the different technology. I mean, like different of framework we are working for the manual testing also. We do have like agile methodology. We do have a Jira and all, so that we will be doing on that. Okay. So now let's get start with the demo part, buddy. Let me open a notes. Yeah. So guys, if you're talking with the software testing, so I'll tell you before going to this theoretical part. Let me tell something different to you. I'll give an example, buddy. So Sudha and other team member, maybe like like Lavanya, Harika, Priyanka, and Sai Kiran, and everyone, Sayed, try to understand here, buddy, with an example. Guys, let's see that I have purchased one brand new air condition. Okay, and it's very summer. Let's see, it's summer in Hyderabad. Example. Now I know that it's raining, buddy, but let's assume that this is a summer here, and there is a need of air condition because it's too hot. We need to like burn down that temperature. We wanted to kill that temperature, buddy. So in order to beat that, I wanted to purchase the air condition, buddy. I have purchased that air condition. Okay, I have purchased that air condition. But guys, while purchasing the air condition, what is my expectation, buddy? Can someone tell me? It's a very summer here, and I am going to purchase air condition. So what would be my expectation? Tell me, dear. What would be my expectation in terms of purchasing the air condition? Tell me, dear, if you understand. So why I am purchasing the air condition? The question here is, no? No problem, buddy. See, if I'm saying that air conditioner, buddy, it is air condition is no. We need to have that something that we wanted to beat down the temperature. We wanted to come down the temperature, buddy. See, so whenever you are putting that air conditioner in your room, that means you are expecting something chill. You wanted to make the environment chill, right? That is your expectation from the environment. I went to the showroom, buddy. Let's say I went to the Bajaj Electronic or something. I purchased one air conditioner. I came back to home, and the technician came to my home and they installed that air conditioner. But while they are testing it, right, we just on that air conditioner, but it's not cooling. It might be some gas issue, or it might be anything. We are not able to cool that, like room temperature. It's not cooling up. So guys, if it is not cooling up, there is no use of taking the AC. Confirm me, like tell me, buddy, yes or no? If you are not able to like cool that temperature, we are not able to like there is no point of taking the air condition, right?
Yes.
So there might be condition, buddy. When we are creating any product, no, we have to test that application. Okay, we have to test that application. So there might be the condition, dear. Okay, there might be the condition while doing the testing, the test engineer might have done the mistake. Test engineer might have done the mistake. Okay, they haven't tested that air condition perfectly. That might be the reason. So, buddy, whenever you are developing any application, it has to be tested first. Okay, so that before going to the client, we should be in the proper shape that okay, this application is working fine. Okay, I'll give you one more example, buddy. Let's see that team member. Let's see that like Avinash went to an ATM machine. He wanted to give his 10,000 to house owner. Avinash, never mind it. I'm just taking your name. Okay. So Avinash wanted to give 10,000 rupee to his house owner as a rent. He went to the ATM machine. Okay. He know that ATM has given the correct amount to him. But any for his self satisfaction, he is testing. He's trying to count that amount, whether it's 10,000 or not. Got the point, guys? Do you understand that? For self satisfaction, buddy, we are counting our amount. We are counting the notes. We are counting the currency, and we are becoming sure that yes, it is working fine. I mean to say that the count of the note is perfect. It's 10,000 only. Then he'll go and deliver to that. I mean, he'll hand over to that. He's also there. I'll tell you one more thing, buddy. I'll tell you one more thing. Let's see here. When you are going, you wanted to purchase a car. You wanted to purchase a car, dear. Okay, so you went to the car showroom, right? You went to the car showroom, and in order to purchase a car, buddy. Okay, in order to purchase the car, you just wanted to see that how the car looks. Okay, what is the performance of the car? If I'm gonna do with that car things, I'm if let's say I wanted to purchase some BMW, I wanted to purchase some like Hyundai, something new car model. So what we'll do, we'll go to that any shop. I mean not shop, it's a kind of showroom. So we'll have a test drive, buddy. Why it is called a test drive? Reason behind that, you should be very comfortable after getting the test drive. That means this is something, okay, this is something dear that you have to go ahead with that. That means when you test the car, you'll come to know, okay, how cool it is, how it's going good or not. So whether you are feeling comfortable or not. So whether the functionality that is given in the car is perfect or not, it's updated or not. Okay, so these are all things you're gonna check it out. That is called as a test drive. That means before taking something, before their functionality, you wanted to test that thing. That is called as a testing. I'll try to give one more example, buddy, so that you guys will be little comfortable. Let's see that I have invited you all. Let's see that I'm a good chef. Okay, and I invited you all for lunch party example tomorrow. When you guys are coming up, we have to let's say I decided to make a biryani in my home. So I cooked biryani. I put the enough salt and all. But before serving the biryani to you all, I'll just take little bit of test of the biryani, whether that salt is good or not. So why I wanted to taste, buddy? Can someone tell me what is the reason behind that? Why it is necessary to taste that salt?
Sir, this is Sudha.
Yep, Sudha, please, buddy.
Yeah, to test the food is perfect or not.
Yep. So that you guys should be comfortable enough that okay. So this is good. So the guy who will have that biryani, they will be thinking that okay. So that thing is pop. It looks to be good. Okay. That is the concept, buddy, over here, right? Next there, let me go to that real type of testing and what is meant by the software testing theoretical wise. We have done with that testing, examples. So guys, whatever the example I gave it, are you guys comfortable in that? Do you understand what do you mean by testing? Everyone? Anyone
Yes.
who does not understand, please raise your voice, buddy. I'll explain you one more time. It might be like no anything, buddy. Thank you, Lakshmi. Okay, good enough, buddy. Let's go ahead and get started with the theoretical part now. If you're talking with the software testing here, software testing is a method to check whether the actual software product matches the expected requirement or not. Okay. Software testing is a method, buddy, to check whether the actual software product matches the expected requirement or not, and to make sure that software product is defect free. So what do you mean by defect free? Guys, you see the example of air conditioner, right? I was looking for the air condition to be working in the good condition. It should beat down the summer. It should make that in chill environment, right? But it's not cooling that room, right? It's not cooling that room. That means that this air condition doesn't fit on my expectation. So there is a defect in that. Okay, that is something is not matching with our expected result and the actual result. Actual result and expected result is not matching. That is called a defect. I'll give one example, buddy. Every one of you came here to to understand that what do you mean by testing. Everyone here, okay, in order to get it okay, how that testing goes, how Navin is teaching, whether my requirement is fulfilled or not. So this is a kind of demo class, is a kind of testing only, buddy, right? Okay, if I'm not giving the enough information to you, if I'm not making you understand that software testing, there's no point of doing the class, right? I'm doing my time waste, and even you are doing your time waste, right? So the way of teaching should be proper enough so that you guys understand the concept, and you guys should be able to get a job easily. That is the main motto of testing courses, right? Guys, yes or no, buddy?
Yes.
Clear here? Good. So as I said here, buddy, software testing is a method to check whether the actual software product, whatever the actual software product is there, right, matches the expected requirement, okay, whether it matches the expected requirement, and to ensure that the software product is defect free. That means we don't have any defect in that. Next is, it involves the execution of software component using manual automation tool to evaluate one or more property of interest. Try to understand what I said. It involves execution of software product using the manual and automation tool to evaluate one or more property of interest, buddy. What is called as one or more property of interest. Got the point? Okay. Next one is team. The purpose of software testing. What is the purpose of software testing, buddy? The purpose of software testing is to identify the error. Try to understand. To identify the error, to fill the gaps or missing requirement in contrast to actual requirement. Okay. So this is the purpose of software testing, buddy. The purpose of software testing is to find out the error, gap requirement, gap filling, and missing requirement in order to get the actual requirement, buddy. So the simple word, we can say that what do you mean by software testing is whether the application is working according to the client requirement or not. In simple word, we can say. If someone says you, what do you mean by software testing? You don't have to give this much of information. No, it's not required at all. You can give just one line of information. Whether the application is working as per the client requirement or not. That is called as a software testing. Simple thing, simple answer for that. If someone is asking what is my software testing, simple, go with this example. Whether the application is working as per the client requirement or not, That is called as a software testing, buddy. Clear? Guys, yes or no, buddy, everyone?
Yes.
Guys, keep on interacting, buddy. You say yes, no, or say something like you have any doubt. Then it will be like good for me. I think then I'll think that okay. So you guys are understanding. If you're not speaking right, I will be in dilemma whether you are understanding or not. Okay, fine. Now let's go ahead and take the example of buddy. Okay, let's go ahead and take the example here. So let's see that we have a bank, HDFC Bank. Okay, and HDFC Bank need a software to track his loan application daily wise. Try to understand. As someone said that, right? Kotak Mahindra Bank can be to have a person on in a I think ICICI Bank. So buddy, if we let's see that I'm taking the example of HDFC Bank example. So let's see that HDFC Bank is looking for a software which can help them to track his loan application. Okay, which will help them to track his loan application there. Okay, good. Now, if that is the condition, buddy, if you wanted to track the loan application, that is the condition. Then dear, what he has to do is, okay, what he has to do is, he will give this, the HDFC Bank will give that quotation to some they will say that okay, this is my requirement. Now let's see, Navin is a software company example. Navin is a software company. So Navin says that, hey bank, I'm okay with your requirement. I will be giving you a software so that you can track that your loan application. So which one is the client here? In this category, this scenario, which one is the client here? Guys, which will play the role of client, buddy?
HDFC Bank.
Anyone? Akula? Said? Anyone dear? HDFC Bank, right? Good. So HDFC Bank is a client. And what we said the information of the software testing, buddy? Whether the application is working according to the client requirement or not. That means that whenever Naveen is ready with the software, he should be very sure that the requirement of the client is HDFC Bank to track the loan application. He need to be very sure that whatever the application he made, right, that should be matching his requirement. Got the point or not, team? Okay. Right, Harika, Lavanya, Lakshmi, Priyanka, Saeed.
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
Sudha.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good
sir.
dear. So what is the requirement here? Requirement is he need to prepare a application which can track the loan application on daily basis. Okay. And Naveen is a software company here. Example. So now, guys, in software testing, two different teams are involved majorly. Anyway, we have multiple teams that will be involved in that, but majority of the role will be played by these two guys. What is that guy name? Those guys are called as the development guys, and another one is called as the testing guys. One is the development guys, and another one is the testing guys. Okay. So let's get started with the benefit of the software testing. What do you know by benefit? What is the benefit of the software testing we do have? Okay. Here are the benefit of the software testing, buddy. Okay. Got the point, buddy? So first benefit would be, buddy, here are the benefit of the software testing. First is cost effective. First one is cost effective. It is one of the important advantages of the software testing. Testing of any IT product, any IT project on time will help you to save your money for long run. In case if bugs caught in the earlier stages of testing, it would cost less to fix. I'll give you an example about it, why it is cost effective. If we are doing the software testing on our application, why it is cost effective, I'll let you know here. First thing, if it is, buddy, if you are finding the defect, or if you are taking, like you are testing the code, so what will happen? Know that it will save your time. Let's see that. Let's say example. I give the example of this HDFC Bank. No, so Navin is ready. Navin, the development team of the Navin is ready for that software. Example. Try to understand. That there is a guy called development team. Let's see. I'm taking the example of Kumar. So Kumar is the guy who is the developer of this application, and he is doing a fantastic job. So Navin has faith on him. But Kumar came and said that Navin, I'm done with my job. You can check it out. But Navin, by mistake, let's say that Navin haven't checked that software. He directly handed over to HDFC Bank. But guys, anyway, like Kumar is a human being, right? Mistakes happens. So there might be a condition Navin hasn't checked that content of that application developed by the Kumar, and he handed over to HDFC Bank. What will happen? When HDFC will start working on that, they'll see that no, it's not working as per the requirement. It is not working as per the requirement. Again, HDFC Bank will come and approach to Navin. Hey Navin, you told that you will be giving that nice product to me, but see, it's not working for me. Can you please have a look on that? So now Navin again will go and approach to the Kumar. Guys, Kumar, you have done a mistake. Can you please recheck it? So guys, in order to avoid those things, we'll do the testing before itself, before delivering to the client, right? When the Kumar is ready with their project, before handing over that project to the client, we'll do the testing. There only will record that defect, right? We'll get a defect there only, so that we can save our time and we can save our money also. Okay, that is the thing, buddy. Next thing is security. So, buddy, if you're doing the testing of any application, it is secure enough. I'll give an example. Let's see that I have a Facebook account, and let's see one of your team member. Let's see something Akula. So Akula wanted to log into my Facebook account, and he is able to do that also. But when he is trying to log into that application, he is able to log in my Facebook account in his system without entering the right password. Without entering the correct password, he is able to log in there. That means there is a defect in the Facebook. He should not be able to do that, right? So we have to go, if you are doing the software testing, buddy, your product will be secured. Okay. So it is the most vulnerable and the sensitive part of that software testing. People are looking for trusted product, buddy. Guys, the teammates, okay, the client are looking for the trusted product only. If you give the correct product, trusted product, then only they'll come up with the next project. If you're not giving the good work, they'll not come to you for next time. It help in removing the risk and problem earlier, buddy. That is called as a security. Next benefit is called as a product quality. Try to understand, buddy, what is the next benefit? Next benefit of that is called as a product quality. Okay. If you're saying that product quality, buddy, it is essential requirement of the software product. Testing ensures a quality product is delivered to the customer. Okay. Got the point, buddy? If you are saying that we wanted to deliver that quality product, you have to test the application. If you're testing that application, then only you will show that okay, so the quality is good. Clear, buddy? Then we will come to know that yes, quality looks to be good, buddy. That is the way we can deal with that. Okay, guys, got the point? Everyone understood that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. The fourth topic would be something about, buddy, That is called as a customer satisfaction, buddy. That is called as a customer satisfaction. Now let's get started with the customer satisfaction. What do you mean by the customer satisfaction, buddy? See guys, if you're walking, see, let me tell you one thing, buddy. Let's see that I'm giving you the best training example. I'm giving the good training to you. So you guys will be satisfied. You're thinking, okay, whatever the amount I have spent or whatever the time I have spent, that isn't, I don't know, like looks to be good. Okay, it went on the right path only because I'm getting a good quality of the training, buddy. That's why you'll be like no satisfied. Similarly, buddy, if any guy, let's see, Navin only have given the right product to that HDFC bank, he will be satisfied. And the next time, whenever the new project is coming up, no, he'll give to Navin. Yes or no, buddy? The main aim of any product is to give the customer satisfaction, buddy. The UI and UX testing should include the best practice. These all will discuss it out. No problem. So guys, so far whatever we have covered it, we have covered the basic advantages of the software testing. So guys, let me know if you guys are comfortable in that. If yes, then we'll move ahead. Or you guys need any more clarification on that?
It's clear, sir.
Clear? Perfect, buddy. Good. Okay, then now let me go to the next step. That is like software industry could have below major pillars, buddy. Okay, software industries could have below major pillars. What is that is? So a software industry can have three basic things, buddy. Software industry can have three basic things, buddy. What is that? We'll discuss now. First thing is development. So who all the guy who will be involving in the development of any application, those guys, those are called as a, no, those team are called as a development team. Why development team, buddy? The reason behind is the development guys will be working on the developing the application with the help of coding. They'll do the coding. Okay, they'll write that coding. That is called as, you know, development of that, buddy. Next one is testing. So whatever the coding has been done by the developer, we have to test that application whether that guy has done the right thing or not. Okay, whether we have done the right thing or not, buddy. That is called as a testing, buddy. Next is support. I'll tell you the example of support. What is the meaning of support? Who will take care of the support part, buddy? Okay, I'll take. So guys, if you remember that few time back we have decided that to give an example of air condition. Okay, but guys, let's see, you already purchased that air condition, buddy. Okay, you purchased that air condition, but dear, you know why it is coming in the picture? I mean, like, what is the reason behind that? The reason behind is, okay, so reason behind that is, buddy, if you wanted to deal with any software things, right? Since the air condition is not matching to the customer requirement, I say that since air condition is not matching with the customer requirement, so what will happen in that case, buddy? If that is not matching to the customer requirement, what will do? The customer will call to the customer care and he will complain, he or she will complain to that. So that guy who is sitting there as a customer care, they will play the role of support and they'll take your complaint back and they'll be informed to the development. And the development means the guy who has developed that air condition, who has manufactured the air condition. So this customer is facing these issues. Can you work on that? Now they'll work again with that air condition. They'll send that guy technician to have a look on that. Then it will go ahead with it. So that is called as example of support, buddy. Similar way, when you're taking the example of HDFC Bank, few time back we have seen, buddy, like, so Kumar has given that application and Naveen has handed over to HDFC Bank example. but the defect came. So what will happen here? When any defect came, buddy, what will happen? Again, HDFC Bank will call to the customer. They will not directly reach to the Navin. They cannot reach to Navin. They cannot reach to the Kumar. So there is a proper channel. He has to follow that. He'll reach to that Navin support team, and he'll register his complaint. So this is the issue. This is the issue. I am getting it. So can someone please help me out with that? Now support team will log a complaint on behalf of HDFC Bank, and they'll hand over this complaint to the developer. So developer has to work on that. Then finally QA will work, retest. They'll go ahead and test that application. Okay, they'll go ahead and test that application, buddy. Okay, and then again they can hand over to the client, buddy. That is called as a role of support team. Okay, that is the role of support team, guys. Now after that we do have some roles and responsibility of the QA development, and and then we do have some QA development and things are there. We'll discuss it in the next class, buddy. Before that, I wanted to show you one thing, dear. Let's see that I wanted to log into some Gmail application or Facebook, anything, any application, buddy. Okay, let me check that. So I'll just take an example of this so that you guys can be aware of that. You already know that, but no, how to test, how we are testing it, I'll show you. Well, let's see that you wanted to log into Facebook application. Okay, you guys are wanted to log into the Facebook application, buddy. I want to check whether that developer has worked correctly or not. I wanted to test that application. For the login functionality, we want to test it. How do we test, buddy? First time, we'll enter the right username and wrong password. Will it allow?
No.
No.
It should not allow. Okay. If it is not allowing, buddy, in that case, we say that yes, the application is working fine. But if it is allowing, that means there is a defect, buddy. There is a defect. The customer is able to log in with the wrong password also. That means there is a defect. Okay, good. Now let's go with another example, buddy. When you are entering the correct username, and correct password, will it allow you?
Yes.
Obviously, it should be allowing it, right?
Yes.
Good, dear.
Yes, sir.
Next thing is blank username, correct password.
No.
Will it allow, dear? No, it will not allow. Correct username and blank password.
No.
Okay, good. Any incorrect username and wrong password?
No.
No. So this is also way we can go ahead and test it, dear. That is the way we have to go ahead and we have to test it out. Okay. That's all, guys, for today. If someone wanted to say something, I'm like they wanted to have some doubt and anything, they can go ahead with that. Tomorrow we'll go with the roles and responsibility and everything. We'll cover it out tomorrow, buddy. Okay. So guys, how's that demo? It looks to be good, or you wanted to give me some feedback so that I can work on those areas? I'll definitely like that feedback, buddy. Anyone wanted to share any feedback, buddy, so that I will work on those areas?
So far, it's good, sir.
No, sir.
It's understandable. Yeah.
Sudha and team, I have my main focus is to make you understand.
Yeah.
As I said,
Yes.
no, if you are spending daily 1 hour to me, it should be on the right side. It should not be in the wrong side, buddy. Okay, it should be on the right side. See, money is fine. You can spend that some money and you can go ahead with that. That's not a problem. But main thing is time, buddy. You should not be wasting that time. That is the main concept, buddy. My aim is you should be giving that time should be okay with you. Okay, so you have a trust on me. That means I should give return back something to you. So don't worry for that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, buddy. So guys, anyone else you want anything, any more information? Please go ahead and raise that thing. Otherwise, no, we'll close this session today and we'll rejoin it again tomorrow by same time. Yeah, I think I think I'm not sure Kiran bhai has conveyed it or not. But guys, tomorrow onwards we have a session from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Is any problem to anyone, buddy?
No,
No, sir.
it's good.
No, sir.
Especially I think Sudha and Syed.
Thank you.
Are you guys okay with that?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine, dear. Then let's connect. Let's get connected tomorrow same time by 9 o'clock, and we'll move around that. Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Thanks for attending this demo,
Yeah.
buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.